Hello students, we are doing chapter number 3 expansion exercise 3.1. In previous video we have done till question number 20 and today we are starting from question number 21. Find the coefficient of x square and x in the product of x minus 3, x plus 7, x minus 4. So here we will use this formula x plus a into x plus b into x plus c, which is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c x square plus ab plus bc plus cax plus abc. So first of all we will compare the value of a, b and c. A is minus 3, b is plus 7 and c is minus 4. So these values substitute right side of this formula. After substituting this, we are getting x cube plus 0 into x square plus minus 37 into x plus 84. And our question is that we have to find out the coefficient of x square and x. Coefficient of x square means the number which is multiplied with x square. So here with x square 0 is multiplied and with x minus 37 is multiplied. So therefore coefficient of x square is equal to 0 and coefficient of x is equal to minus 37. Next question number 22. If a square plus 4a plus x is equal to a plus 2 whole square, find the value of x. So we have two sides here, a square plus 4a plus x, which is equal to a plus 2 whole square. So this right side with the help of x plus y whole square formula we can expand. So after expanding this we will get a square plus 2ab means 2 into a into 2 plus 2 square. Then a square plus 4a plus 4, and now you can compare this with the left side. So if we compare a square, 4a and so x is equal to 4. Therefore the value of x is 4. Next question number 23. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. With the help of this we have to evaluate the square of these numbers. So first we have 101 whole square. So this we can write as 100 plus 1 whole square. Always try to split your number into easy numbers. So this 101 we can write as 99 plus 2 also, but the square of 101 is easy. So that's why we are splitting it into 100 plus 1. Now we can use here a plus b whole square formula. In place of a we have 100, in place of b we have 1. Apply formula. A square means 100 square plus 2ab. 2 into 100 into 1 plus b square means 1 square. So 100 square will be 10,000 plus 200 plus 1. So after addition we will get 10201. Second part, 1003 whole square. So which we can write as 1000 plus 3 whole square. Apply the same formula. A square means 1000 square plus 2ab, 2 into 1000 into 3 plus b square means 3 square. So 1000 square will be, after 1 we will get 6 zeros, plus 2 into 3 6 and into 1000 6000, 3 square is 9. Now we have to add all these numbers. Third part, 10.2 whole square. This we can split as 10 plus 0.2 whole square. Apply formula. A square means 10 square plus 2ab, 2 into 10 into 0.2, then b square means 0.2 square. 10 square will be 100, 2 into 10 into 2 will become 4 and it will become 0.04. Then we have to add all these 104.04. Question number 24. Use a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square to evaluate the following. So first part we have 99 whole square. So this one also we will split into the easy number. 99 we can write as 100 minus 1 whole square. Apply the same formula here. A square means 100 square minus 2ab. 2 into 100 into 1 plus b square means 1 square. So 100 square will be 10,000 minus 200 plus 1, and subtract these two number, add 1. So after that we will get 9,801. Second part, 997 whole square, which we can write as 1000 minus 3 whole square. Then we will apply a minus b whole square formula. A square means 1000 square minus 2ab. 2 into 1000 into 3 plus b square. So 1000 square will be after 6 zeros minus 6000 plus 9. Simplify. Third part, 9.8 whole square. 9.8 we can write as 10 minus 0.2 whole square. Now apply formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. 100 minus 4 plus 0.04. So we will get 96.04. Question number 25. By using suitable identities, evaluate the following. First, 103 whole cube. So here also we will split this number into easy two numbers. We can use a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. Any one property we can use. So this number I am splitting as 100 plus 3 whole cube. Now apply the formula. First, a cube means 100 cube plus b cube means 3 cube plus 3ab. 100 into 3 and in bracket a plus b means 100 plus 3. This will be after 1 we will be having 60 here. Then 3 cube 27. 3 into 3 9 into 100 900 into 103. So this will be 100027 and multiply these two number 92700. Now you can add these two number. You will get 10927 then 27. Second part, 99 whole cube. So this we can write as 100 minus 1 whole cube, and we will use here a minus b whole cube formula. Apply formula. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab. 100 into 1 and a minus b. Minus 1 minus 300 into 99. You can multiply it and then simplify it. After simplification you will get 97299. Third part, 10.1 whole cube. We will split as 10 plus 0.1 whole cube and we will apply a plus b whole cube formula. A cube plus b cube then plus 3ab and a plus b. This will be 1000 plus 0.001 plus 3 into 10.1. So 1000 plus 0.001 and it will become 30.3. Now we can simplify it. After addition we will get 1030.301. Question number 26. If 2a minus b plus c equal to 0, prove that 4a square minus b square plus c square plus 4ac equal to 0. So we have here 2a minus b plus c equal to 0, and we have to prove this. These term will come in square. So hint is there, this 4ac, it means we have to keep a and b term one side and c another side. So we will shift this b another side. 2a plus c we will keep here, and minus b, if we shift another side, it will become plus b. After this we will do squaring. Then we have 2a plus c whole square equal to b square. This side apply x plus y whole square formula. We will get 2a whole square plus c square plus 2 into 2a into c equal to b square. So after squaring, this will become 4a square plus c square plus 4ac equal to b square, and this b square we can shift again this side. 4a square minus b square plus c square plus 4ac is equal to 0, and it has proved. Question number 27, a plus b plus c 2c equal to 0. Prove that a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube is equal to 6abc. So here we will use this identity, a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. In place of c we have 2c. So we will replace this c with 2c and will substitute values here. So a plus b plus 2c, then here a square plus b square plus 2c square minus ab minus b into 2c means 2bc and minus 2ca. This will become a cube plus b cube plus 2c whole cube minus 3ab into 2c. Now because this thing is equal to 0, it is given in question a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So we will keep its value here 0 and will multiply with this bracket. And right side we will expand it. We will get here 8c cube minus 6abc. So this whole thing will become 0. We can write it as 0 is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 8c whole cube minus 6abc. And this 6abc we can shift this side. We can write 6abc is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube, and this only we have to prove. So we can write hence proved. Question number 28, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then find the value of a square by bc plus b square by ca plus c square by ab. So we will start from this step only. In last question we have done a plus b plus c, this is into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So if this a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then this whole left side will become 0. So we can write a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc will equal to 0. So we are starting from here only because it is given equal to 0. So now a cube plus b cube plus c cube, this minus 3abc will shift another side, it will become 3abc. Now only this we need here bc, ca, ab. So we will divide this whole thing by abc. So a cube by abc, b cube by abc and c cube by abc, and right side also 3abc by abc, and you can mention divide by abc. Now 1a we can cancel, here we will get a square. Similarly b we can cancel b square and c we can cancel c square. So we have a square by bc, b square by ac, c square by ab, which is equal to, here abc and abc will cancel out, equal to 3. So the value of a square by bc, b square by ac plus c square by ab is equal to 3. Question number 29. If x plus y is equal to 4, then find the value of x cube plus y cube plus 12xy minus 64. So this also we will use here same identity. A plus b, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc will be 0. Now we will little bit change this one. This is given x plus y is equal to 4. We can write it as x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So a value is x, b is y, c is minus 4. We will substitute here and we will check. So a cube means x cube, then y cube plus minus 4 cube, then minus 3x into y into minus 4, which is equal to 0. So x cube plus y cube, this will become minus 64 and this will become plus 3 into 4 12 xy. This is equal to 0. So the value of this expansion will be 0. Question number 30. Without actual calculating the cubes, find the value of 27 cube plus minus 17 cube plus minus 10 cube. So here we will use the same property. If a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc will be equal to 0. Next step, this minus 3abc also we can shift another side. So it will become a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Now we will check whether a, b and c. We will compare with this, find out the value of a, b, c, and we will check whether their sum is coming equal to 0 or not. So a is 27, b is minus 17, c is minus 10. If we add all three, 27 minus 17 minus 10, we will get 0. It means we can use here this property. So we can write, therefore minus 27 cube plus minus 17 cube plus minus 10 cube will be equal to 3. A is 27, b is minus 17 and c is minus 10. And now we can multiply these four numbers. After multiplication we will get 13770. Second part, minus 28 cube plus 15 cube plus 13 cube. So we can check here, minus 28 plus 15 plus 13, this is equal to 0. So again we can apply the same thing. Therefore, because minus 28 plus 15 plus 13 is equal to 0, therefore minus 28 cube plus 15 cube plus 13 cube will be equal to 3abc. 3 into minus 28 minus into 15 into 13. Multiply all these number and you will get minus 16380. Question number 31. Use suitable identity. Find the value of 86 into 86 into 86 plus 14 into 14 into 14 divided by 86 into 86 minus 86 into 14 plus 14 into 14. So here in numerator, this is 86 cube and this is 14 cube. Denominator we will write as it is. We can write it as 86 square minus 86 into 14 plus 14 square. Now in numerator we will apply the formula of a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b 86 plus 14, then a square means 86 square minus ab means 86 into 14 plus b square divided by same denominator. Now you can see this bracket and this denominator is same, so this whole thing will cancel out and 86 plus 14 is equal to 100. So answer will be 100 here. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching this video.